Sayang, what do you have?
Cendol durian.
Cendol durian.
Look, this one.
Is it real durian?
Totak, which is?
No,
This is durian. Is this?
Pizza.
After long time, I didn't eat my
1.5 years, no?
No, tak.
Oh, looks like a real durian.
Oh yes. Real lah.
I don't wanna try.
No.
Alles matchmaker.
Super. Yankee.
No, apa sayang.
Coconut.
Trip to Warsaw.
No.
Worth it. Sayang, we found out the place like in Chatuchak in Bangkok, in
No.
Warsaw.
Not
Just we
that.
came too late. It's closing already.
No.
Ale, it's exactly the same vibe, no?
Not that.
Can you feel it? They actually Ali closed, so we have to come back. So there is the market. Conditions. But with the differences, you can buy the big jacket. No tak. Ale, no tak, ale everything is the same vibe. So literally, actually, if you close my eyes and I just don't read Polish signs, I will say the restaurants. We can get to the restaurant. Maybe at least we can have some Vietnamese food, so? PTS is closed. You wanna go there?
No.
Okay. Exactly the same. Bakalarska. Can't break it, son. So outside, you can feel the vibe. It's only we came late, and the shoes, everything the same. Actually, same, but different. You can just buy the entirely like this one. Actually, even better because more local vibe, could say, because less tourists here rather in Chatuchak. We just late, sir. Next time, it's okay. Ale vibe is like Asia vibe, 100%. Okay, let's eat something, no? Maybe we can find something. They even have a fake labubu here. Sayang.
No.
PTS only late, yeah?
We just came late.
We just came late. That's the only issue. Ale, there is still some restaurants open. Let's eat something kind of local. But even China market or Asian market, but Bitcoin must be already, sir. This one, Hanoi, but it's closed. There's like a food court actually. But the vibe, still can feel it. Just PTS late. So, generally speaking, and also it's like Asian combined with Africa to the difference to Asia actually.
Smacznego, kochani.
That's not the lemonade, okay? That's the garlic. Kochanie, we're having Vietnamese, but like really authentic. I feel like I'm somewhere in Vietnam right now, or in Bangkok or whatever, like Vietnam. It's really cool.
Nice. Smacznego.
What's like that?
So this one is 4 and the bread. Nice. This one, nice. Highly recommended.
Why are you so happy, Sang?
This is my durian, kind of the es campur or something like that. I don't know what is it in Vietnamese. Ale, look, the durian.
Not bad. Looks good. Smell
It's
durian.
the best fruit in the world.
Smell
I know
durian.
that you don't like it. You don't like the smell. Ale, to yes. Best.
Enjoy, Sang. Is it real? In Poland, durian?
Not that?
Sayang enjoying durian after 1.5 years, no?
No,
Living in Poland. Nice.
Oh, boze.
Oh, bo.
Oh,
So
boze.
good. Enjoy.
Boze.
Candle? Not candle like for the burning, but the candle.
No.
And the red beans?
No.
Oh. It's big rain outside. So it's good weather for the eating durian, no?
No, sir.
In Warsaw.
No, sir.
So classical the monkeys filming even it's raining. We had our fall and I show you actually around quite a lot of Asian stuff here. Asia market, Chai Huang Tang. As you can see, all is Asian here. They are like Asian town, Asian butcher, Asian shops, Asian restaurant. So if you are Asian and you don't know, stuff like this is in Warsaw, in Bakalarska Street. It's very cool. Unfortunately, it will be probably better if you come here in the morning. Ale the restaurant and everything is still here. And stuff.
They have
Nails, like typical stuff. And everything is combined actually in the pretty one spot. Probably if the weather is better and later at night is nice, probably. Then it's dinner time and house Asian likes to enjoy, let's say, the beer. Especially a lot of here is Vietnamese because was quite big migration of Vietnamese people to Poland in the 80s. So it's really cool. This Claudia, I don't know why I always love, because Claudia is so popular name always everywhere, in Bali, in Asia, in Vietnam, in Thailand, everywhere. So everything is like this one.
Oh, this one is the sklep.
The sklep, the bazaar with the veg. You wanna go? Okay, let's go. Alright, and you can see the brazier, the barber, the manicure, pedicure, tattoo, sparrow, everything. Lida, nails, and like this. And then, as you can see, there is the nail studio and everything, and they even have a Vietnam Airlines, the travel agency. This is like, what? How come we live here 1.5 years and I didn't know about this one? Oh, brother. So funny, right? Okay, let's go to the now different Asian supermarket lah, and the mall.
No.
Mall must be.
Yes.
And here, as you can see, this is like a bazaar, like literally bazaar with clothes and everything, like literally everything and nothing. Behind this not really appealing looking wall, which exactly feels like Chatuchak. We get inside before they closed, and it was like literally, if you watch our video in Thailand, I was like everything and nothing, literally.
Yeah. Because I think that they open like early in the morning and close around, 2,
3, but we arrived to Warsaw at 3.
No.
Actually, as you can see there, well, nothing is, everything is closed. I think only the first guy is here, the African one, actually, it's open. To the top of the Asian, mostly Vietnamese, there are some African also stalls, restaurants, and the shops, like this one. So basically you can see stuff. This one. So behind me is the Asian Vietnamese school, and one thing is that as many of the people who were in this bazaar, even Vietnamese with their childs and everything, they speak Polish between each other because they are already like a second, most of them they are already younger second, and the very youngest kids, they are third generation of Vietnamese living in Poland. So they basically not Vietnamese, they are Polish, but Vietnamese descent. Their parents now probably they are already elderly and they just came to Poland and they never decide to back to Vietnam and Asia, right? So we are now in Westfield Arcadia, Sayang, in Żoliborz, Warsaw. Sayang, you look a little bit drunk after eating the durian, I have to say.
So, but I think because the durian is lots of the alcoholic inside, and then I feel like come back to the Asian mood. And now we are decided to go to the mall, the biggest mall in Warsaw,
which calls Westfield Arcadia.
And then there are lots of things and it's quite huge.
Yeah, and the architecture look like this one. More like mall, no? Zawsze czas na kawę. Beautiful place, Sayang. And what we have? Espresso macchiato.
I was a little bit sleepy after my durian chendol, and then with the pho, with the a bigger portion of meal, so we decided to go to the mall and shopping. And Damian, shop a lot today.
No, I just buy some t-shirt. That's it.
And
Nothing
then,
else.
No tag. And then we just decided to stroll around in the biggest mall in Warsaw. So yeah.
Cheers.
What is it? Espresso time.
Espresso time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Kochanie, smacznego. You've got your pączek and espresso macchiato.
Dokładnie tak. before we are the Vietnamese. So trip to Warsaw fully accomplished.
Good food, good mood,
Good coffee,
good coffee.
everything good.
So, do you think that you would like to live in Warsaw?
Definitely not.
It's not. Why?
Visit 2 times, 3 times a year? Definitely yes. Living? Definitely not.
No.
Just like Poznan.
Okay, so this is how is the mall situation, especially in the area of the food court.
Alright, so that's our short trip to Warsaw. Second time in this year. Maybe we're gonna be one more time, maybe not. Let's see. Nice place to visit. Living. Some people love to live here. I don't mind, ale I still prefer Poznan. So we will stay in Poznan in case you ask. However, yeah. Well, Sayang, you still want drunk after durian or you wanna say something?
Like a food coma,
Too much Asian stuff today, no?
I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya. Take care.